Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to register for MSCA Canada. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for MSCA. You will see canada.ca My Service Canada account. Press on it. It will take you to this page. Now scroll down. You will see sign in or create an account. You press on register for an account. It will take you to this page where you can see all the details on how to sign up or how to create an account. So create a My Service Canada account. Creating an account takes just few steps. This is one-time action. The next time you visit, all you have to do is sign in. You must be at least 12 years old and access and use MSCA only as yourself. No one is authorized to use or create an account on your behalf. So getting started, select the sign-in method you will be using to access your account. So there is the Interac sign-in partner. Use your online banking sign-in informations, or you can choose GC key. Use your username and password issued by the government of Canada or sign up for GC key, or you can use the provincial sign-in. Use your alberta.ca account or BC services card, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.